the strategic relationship between us and Saudi Arabia, but I'm not going to blow past this.
It'd be very unusual in a briefing of this significance around a national security matter, where one of the key issues is what the intelligence community did or didn't conclude and did or didn't recommend for the director of the CIA not to be present.
It is imperative today that the United States Senate tell Saudi Arabia and tell the world that we are not going to be continuing to be part of that humanitarian disaster.
I think 80% of the people left the hearing this morning not feeling like an appropriate response has been forthcoming.
Nancy Pelosi staved off potential challenges to win another term as leader of the House Democrats today. Pelosi also received her party's official nomination to become the next Speaker of the House when that vote is taken in January. That will put her second in line to the presidency. The California Congresswoman has led the House Democrats for some 15 years. She became the first female Speaker of the House back in 2007. The wind is gone, thank God.
Pretty much. I mean, the bad winds are gone. We gusted over 40 today. It's still kind of breezy tonight, Bruce, and then breezy tomorrow morning. Then we're okay.
I was really concerned about my friends who have the comb-overs. You know.
Oh, yeah. So they're okay now. If they made it this far, they're going to be okay. I tell you what. We're looking at wind chills, though. I mean, it's still driving wind chills in the teens. Feels like it's 19 at Andrews. And these are observations, not a forecast. Feels like it's 17 in Hagerstown, 15 in Winchester, 18 in Front Royal. And even downtown D.C. feels like it's 25. So there's still enough wind to generate some wind chills. In fact, these are the wind speeds. This is a forecast. Still could be gusting 15 to 20 miles per hour early tonight. By tomorrow morning, though, in the 10 to 15 range, which is reasonable. And then by mid-morning, 10 to 20 range. And then by the afternoon, they began to subside. So we're in pretty good shape once you get past the lunch hour. So tomorrow's temperature will be a little bit higher, and with less winds, it will feel a little bit more comfortable. Still kind of cold, though, for November. In fact, we're going 47 tomorrow. Average high is still 53. 49 on Friday, 53 on Saturday, 64 on Sunday. I'll let you in on a little secret. The computers are going 71 on Sunday. I think the clouds may keep us from that. I know. I'd like to be wrong. I'd like to be wrong on Sunday. You're welcome. 56 on Monday. The problem is with that warmer air comes the chance for some showers. In fact, still breezy and cold tonight. Wind chills in the teens pretty much the rest of the night now. Cold but not windy tomorrow, but breezy in the morning, and then some showers on Friday, but not a washout. We have not issued a yellow weather alert just yet. So this is Futurecast. These are temps. 33 at 10 o'clock, some 20s in the burbs. And then by morning, some 20s again in the burbs, low 30s downtown. By 9 o'clock, we're still on the cold side. I mean, low to mid 30s. So pretty cold at the bus stop again tomorrow. Not quite as brutal as today. By 1 o'clock, we're back in the low to mid 40s. And then by evening, we're in the 40s and the 30s back to the north and to the west. A few clouds return tomorrow evening, but not a huge problem. What is a bigger problem, though, the wind chills. I mean, even at 10 o'clock tonight, we're still feeling like 15 in Martinsburg and 20 downtown. By morning, upper teens to mid 20s. That's 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. Then we see the 30s come back. So by lunchtime, it'll at least feel like it's in the low 30s, may even feel like it's 40 in Culpeper, but still upper 20s in Hagerstown. But the good news, winds will subside in the afternoon. So 47 tomorrow, 49 on Friday, some showers, primarily, I think, just kind of scattered in the morning and then afternoon, but some sun in between. And then some afternoon showers on Saturday, but some sun to start. Not bad. Sunday, a few showers ending early with a little bit of sun, 64. Nice on Monday, more rain on Tuesday, and just cold and dry next Wednesday. Bruce will be back right after this.
Marianne Williams' Royal Rift, the truth behind rumors of a feud with Meghan in the middle. Then only we are in London with Channing Tatum and his Magic Mike men. Next, ET.
Tonight at 7:30 on WUSA 9.
Get new floors you'll love with Luna's new $99 sale. Buy one room, get carpet, hardwood, or laminate for all other rooms for only $99. So buy one room, get carpet in the bedroom, plus laminate in the kitchen, and even hardwood in the dining room, all for $99. That's new floors for the whole house. Buy one room, get floors for all other rooms for only $99.